Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you my top favorite thrifted pieces that has become staple in my wardrobe. I've thrifted these items through the course of years, maybe months, so some of the pieces are quite new, some of them I've owned for at least 2 years. So without further ado, let's hop right into the video. Before I show you the pieces that I've thrifted, I would like to share with you the reason why I thrift. First of all, I like bargains. I like to be able to score things that are high-end but pay a fraction of the price too. I like the unique pieces that I find at the thrift stores because no one else has them. It's very bold and could stand out as well. 3, I like finding vintage pieces. Sometimes there's something about the clothing, especially vintage, where it makes you think what the previous owner was like, how it was taken care of, where they wore the pieces. There's 2 things that I find when I thrift. 1, the quality of the actual clothing, if it's pristine, if it needs a little bit of mending, and 2, the brand. I also wanted to touch on the main reason why I resorted to thrifting my wardrobe. Part of that is because I would like to do my part and help with the environmental impact of the clothing wastage. As we all know, fast fashion is becoming a huge thing where our demand for clothes at a cheaper price has skyrocketed. Therefore, the abuse of the laborers from specific industries are being taken advantage of, and also they are underpaid, they don't have rights. Part of that as well is these companies don't really care about where the resources come from, so they trying to just make synthetics to make it look like a specific material, and at the end of the day, once it ends into the landfill, it won't decompose. It will take thousands of years to decompose, therefore it will result to like global warming, whatever we are currently experiencing. I wanted to put a stop on fast fashion and support slow fashion as well as be sustainable this year. I started off with makeup, but I feel like fashion is something that is a little bit bigger and wider, and also I feel like a lot of people can relate because I have seen a lot of thrift videos online, and I'm quite pleased that the younger generation are into thrifting now as opposed to buying fast fashion. So yeah, just giving you my 2 cents. So now we are going to move on to the actual reason why we're even here. So the first item that I'm going to share with you is this blazer right here. So this is relatively new. I like finding blazers from the thrift stores because 1, they have a very unique pattern. 2, the structure and how it was tailored is very unique, and 3, it's affordable. Let's be real. So this one right here is this emerald green blazer. I was thinking of actually selling this on my website, but I thought I'd keep this because I don't have anything like this. It's padded, it's very tailored, and the brand is from like a custom tailor. I feel like they tailored this specific blazer for hotelier, is that what you call them, but hotel staff. I actually do like it, and it's quite long, so then I could wear this as a dress paired with boots and belt, and I'm good to go. Another blazer that I have is this navy blue right here. This is from J. Crew, and I scored this at one of the Salvation Army shops, and yeah, it's quite oversized on me again. It has like a slight pad on the shoulders. It's very tailored. This is a little bit thin though, so I feel like this is more for like spring summer type of piece, but if you want to wear this during winter time, you could definitely layer this with like a knit or a woolen blend type of top, and it comes with the classic blazer slit at the back, and I really like this. I feel like this is the best piece that I've thrifted. So this is a trench coat, a black trench coat with a maroon lining inside, and apparently this jacket is handcrafted. So this is from the brand Working Style, which I have no idea where that's from. This is really well made. The previous owner accidentally left the receipt when they purchased this coat, and to my surprise, this coat retailed for $800 USD. So if you convert that to New Zealand dollars, that would be almost 1,000 New Zealand dollars. Shocking. But I got this at a really good price. I love that there's inner pockets. I'm actually not sure if this is for men or for women, but I'm gonna wear this anyway. And the material is not thick, but it has a little bit of weight to it. It comes with the belt as well as like a cinch and belt situation on the sleeve, and this goes up to maybe just above my ankles, which I really like, especially for winter because I get cold quite easily. And the color is just plain black, which I like because I could pair this with anything in my wardrobe. Third sort of outerwear is geared more for summer/spring, or if you're bold enough you could even wear this during winter time. But this is the distressed denim jacket. This is actually from men's section. I purchased this 2 years ago in Auckland. This is from Zara. This is a very well made type of denim jacket. It's distressed all over, and I have washed this in the washing machine a few times, and I'm so impressed with the distressing because not one of the distressed part frayed or ripped open, which is really good. I love the fit of this. It's quite oversized on me, and I like to pair this with like a t-shirt, leggings, or biker shorts and sneakers. This is my favorite piece. I'm so obsessed with blouses. I feel like I have a drawer full of blouses. So one of them is this blouse right here. This is actually a sleepwear, believe it or not. I really like how silky it is, how comfortable it is. So I wore it out. I even wear this to work, and I'm so obsessed with this. I like blouses because I could pair this with pants, put high heels on, put sneakers on, put boots on, and it can totally give you a different look. So yeah, this is one of them, and I like to tuck it in with high-waisted jeans. The second one is this one right here, which is from Tommy Hilfiger. Again, this is large because I quite like my blouse to be a little bit oversized, so then I can move around and tie it around, or wear it super oversized, or wear it as a cover up during summertime. Again, this comes in like a very flowy material, very silky smooth, and very comfortable. It's very slippy on your body, so it makes it like feel very cozy, and it feels like you're not wearing anything, which I like, especially on a very hot summer day. I also love rope pattern and the color of this because it's red, but it's not too much, so then I could tone it down or tone it up, if you will, for parties and whatnot. So yeah, that's my favorite. Another blouse that I have is this one right here. This is a vintage blouse that I scored at a thrift store. I love the detailing on top because buttons all the way up, and then the sleeve right here, once you wear it, it kind of has like the mini poof, which is kind of on trend at the moment. Like puffy sleeves, the more the better, but I'm not on that stage yet. I like mine to be a little bit, you know, seam, but not over the top. And it comes with like a very nice sheeny patterning to it, which is not obnoxiously out there. It's quite dainty, it's very sophisticated, and yeah, and I love the color because it's neutral. It's my kind of vibe. Another staple piece is this shirt right here, and this is from Ralph Lauren, and this is one of those no iron type of fabric where they call it wrinkle free, I think. I'm not too sure, but don't quote me on that. This comes in a houndstooth pattern, black and white of course, and this is a large. This is a little bit thicker than the previous ones, and I love this because whenever I wear this I feel so warm and cozy, especially during winter time. Summertime, I like to pair this with a skirt or shorts and maybe Birkenstocks or low-heeled shoes. I really like the pattern, I really like the color. It's neutral, it's very simple, but it has a pow to it, if you know what I mean. and you could accessorize this easily and it will totally look like a different type of clothing, which I really like. And I've owned this for I think about 3 years now. Another item, this is more for summer, is this one right here. So this is from Moschino jeans, and this is just a see-through or sheer type of top. It's very flowy as well. The material is very soft. It has a little bit of stretch to it. I like to wear this type of sleeveless top because one, the cut is very forgiving, and two, you could easily layer this during winter time with your turtleneck top, which is kind of on trend right now. It kind of looks like a vest, but it's not a vest, it's a top. You could wear it cropped as well by just folding it up and rolling it and tucking it in your bra. But yeah, it comes in this very like shiny type of cream colored material, which I like, with a black lining. I'm obsessed with anything black and white. And the last clothing piece I have is this jeans right here. So this is from Rachel Comey. I like this jeans because one, is high-waisted, it's straight cut with a little bit of flare at the bottom, and the length of this is 3/4. I also love the fact that the bottom is distressed, so then you could easily show off your boots when you're going to wear this during winter time. You could pair it with high heels and it makes your feet look flattering. Also, you could wear it with sneakers. I've definitely done all three and I'm so obsessed, and I feel like this is such a staple type of jeans. Like the cut of it, of course if you're into more of like a bum hugging jeans, this is not gonna be like flattering for you. But if you're into more of a comfortable jeans, I would recommend this because it comes in like that soft type of denim, but it doesn't fade or it doesn't stretch. It keeps its shape, which I really like. So now I'm gonna move on to two shoes that I am so obsessed with. The first one is this Muse right here, and this is from the brand ASOS. Originally it came with a strap that goes in your ankle, and then you have this clear straps, but I ripped out this strap because I feel like it looks a lot better when it's Muse rather than it being like a sandal type heels. I really like the detailing on the heel. It's so pretty and it's hardly ever worn. To my surprise, this is actually very comfortable. So the acrylic strap here is quite soft, I guess because it has been worn a few times. It doesn't give me blisters, it doesn't give me a very uncomfortable like stiff feeling to it. If not, it feels like I'm not wearing anything, and it's very flattering on the feet, which is nice. I pair it with dresses, jeans, shorts, skirts, and it's pretty. I'm sure you're all aware I've featured this in so many Instagram posts, but this is a, what would you call this? Like a slip-on type of shoes. What's different is that this comes with a kitten heel and it's clear. Also, it comes in like a very nice, very chic, expensive feeling type of velvet. It is soft leather lined on the inside, as well as it has like a soft leather detailing in the front along with the sides, which is very nice. And I feel like if you work in the office and if you're not into wearing super high heels or super high boots, this is the way to go because one, it covers your feet, and two, it has a little bit of heel to elevate your height, as well as it looks very business from the front. I personally like shoes like this because one, it makes any casual outfit very chic and very Parisian-esque. Is that the word? Fashion. So yeah, I'm so obsessed with the shoes and they're very comfortable. It does not hurt my feet and it's pretty easy to walk on. Last but not the least, I have this necklace right here. So this is a gold plated necklace with like a silver chain. So this one is a long necklace, chain necklace that goes all the way down here. But because I like the necklace to show and I like for it to have a little bit of detail, I decided to wear it like this. And it adds a little bit of something into the outfit. I could wear this as a bracelet as well. Initially I wanted to wear this like a double chain type of necklace, but because the length is not quite there, I resorted to this, and it's so pretty. I actually got this 3 weeks ago from a market, which is really nice, and this is currently on trend, so I'm pleased that I was able to find this at a market. That's all the staples that I currently have in my wardrobe. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates. Let me know if you're interested into more thrifted fashion type of thing. I could do a lookbook or just show you what I wear on the daily. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye!